Okja! 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 Eat! Belaga! Eat! Belaga! Eat! Belaga! Eat! Belaga!
Hi everyone, welcome to our small YouTube space. So this is Zach and this is Chi Chi. And Bella and Berdine, our two Labradors, are downstairs. They're still potty training, so we haven't included them here in the video. But we decided to finally take on vlogging, just to share to you guys what our life is, our daily life is. We want to open up a part of our lives to you and, well, just to document the cuteness of our dogs. So this first vlog is about the things that we do every day for the dog. So if you are interested in this video, please tune in and watch the rest of this video. Morning guys, so just woke up. It's around 7:30 in the morning. It's raining, so usually what we do is we go outside for a walk so that Zach and Chi Chi can poop and pee, but right now that seems impossible to do. It's raining, so just have to wait for the rain to subside first. What we normally do in the morning is we fix Bella and Berlin's meals right away. So dog food with some milk because they want their dog food a little bit on the soft side. And also, milk is very important for growing puppies also. Sit. 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 Bella, sit. Bella, sit. Bella, sit. Berlin, sit. Bella. Good job, Bella. Bella, no! Berlin, no! Zach and Chi Chi, they don't eat in the morning because they don't usually have the appetite yet. So they just drink water, get some treats from us, but they usually eat around lunchtime and dinner. So they eat twice a day. Chi Chi, good morning, Chi. Chi Chi, good morning. Chi, good morning, Chi. So right now, Bella and Berlin hasn't been fully accepted yet in our pack. Siguro by Zach, mostly. We've been trying to slowly integrate them in the pack, socializing them with the two dogs because they're new, they're fairly new. They're just 2 months old in our house, but they're already 4 months old as puppies. So yeah, that's the main goal right now, for Zach and Chi Chi to accept the Labradors in our pack.
Zach, let's go. Go, 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 go. Uy!
Okay, so for lunch and dinner, we usually cook ulam for them. But sometimes we also give them what we eat. Hi. Hi, Zach. Zach and Chichi don't eat like kibble or dog food. They just eat table food. So there's a story behind that, maybe for another vlog. What's up, guys? We just woke up from our afternoon nap. It's around 6:30 p.m. already and we're about to eat our dinner. After this, we're serving Zach and Chichi their dinner also. We're gonna also Bella and Birdie. And then we're gonna go play a little bit before going out for Zach and Chichi to poop and pee before sleeping. So we're now back in our room here. We just finished walking the dogs. Bella and Berlin has already played also. Zach and Chichi were able to relieve themselves before going up here. They're actually here already sleeping on our bed, aka their bed. And yeah, it's very tiring. It's a very tiring night every night for us. So we feed them, we play with them a little bit, we walk the dogs, we clean the cages or their area because Bella and Birdie are still potty training, as I've said. So they still need some cleaning, you know. And then after that, we were able to take a shower, freshen up a bit before resting for tonight. We finished everything at around 9 p.m. So that's the daily life of a fur parent like us. And I'm sure a lot of you also can relate to what we are doing, what we're experiencing. If you have any pet at that matter, dog or cat or any pet at all, I'm sure that you all can agree that it's very taxing. It's taking up so much of your time, but after all of that, it's very rewarding. Seeing your dogs happy, ensuring that their needs are taken care of, their needs are attended to, there's such a feeling of satisfaction in your part. It's just like having your own kids. For us, our dogs are our kids. We love them to bits. And if you love yours too, leave a comment down below what you're doing for your pets. And let's share our thoughts in our own experiences to everyone. And well, thank you for watching this vlog. And we hope to see you in the next. Have a great night, everybody.